This video will show you how to set up final grade calculations using outcomes weighting in PowerTeacher Pro. High school teachers must define the final grade calculations for each class they teach. A final grade calculation must be set up for each reporting term. That is, both T1 and S1 calculations must be set up for a Semester 1 course. T1 stands for Term 1, or the November report card. S1 stands for Semester 1, or the January report card. In second semester, T3 stands for Term 3, or the April report card, and S2 stands for Semester 2, or the June report card. For full year courses, Y1 stands for Year 1, or the June report card. By setting up each reporting term, a final grade will be auto-calculated, and the teacher will be able to add a comment for each term without overwriting the previous data. Teachers can save time by copying final grade calculations across classes and reporting terms. Outcomes weighting is used when teachers want their final grade calculations to draw from the outcomes and weightings that have been uploaded by the district into PowerSchool. Outcomes grades calculations must be set up before setting up final grade calculations. Step 1. Click Settings in the Charms bar. Step 2. Select STEM/Outcomes grade calculations. Step 3. Select a course by clicking on the arrow to the left of the course name. Step 4. Select the default calculation that best suits your course. Most recent scores. The average of the most recent assignment scores is used to calculate each outcome grade. The number of scores is defaulted to 3, but this can be changed by the teacher. Step 5. Click the pencil icon in the Most Recent Scores Calculation section to define the number of recent scores to include in the calculation and their relative weighting. Note: the Calculating Higher Level STEM/Outcomes section is not relevant for the 2018-2019 school year, as the CBE does not have any higher level outcomes. The most recent score is going to count for the most in this example. Step 6. Click Save. Now the outcomes in the course will have grades populated. Step 7. Click Settings in the Charms bar. Step 8. Select Final Grade Calculations. Step 9. Select the same course by clicking on the arrow to the left of the course name. Step 10. Click the pencil icon in the Actions column in the first reporting period of the course, that is T1, to change the final grade calculations from total points to category weighting. Step 11. In the Type column, click on the drop-down menu and choose Outcomes Weighting. Step 12. In the Attribute column, click the drop-down menu and select specific weights to use the weightings set by the district. Step 13. In the Weight column, leave the value of 1 for 100%. Step 14. Click Save. Step 15. To copy a final grade calculation from one term to another or from one class to another, go to the top right hand and click on the gear. Click Copy Final Grade Calculations. Copy the terms within a class. From Science 10 Outcomes Weighting class, from the T1 reporting period, to S1. Click Validate. Click Copy. This video has shown you how to set up final grade calculations using outcomes weighting in PowerTeacher Pro.